Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to Landingsite.ai. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for sign up Landingsite.ai, and then scroll down. You'll find this Landingsite.ai, www.landingsite.ai, and then press on it. Now all you need to do is press on sign in and then press on sign out. Now you need to input your first name and then you input your email address, and then you need to create a password and then press on continue. Now you need to put the verification code sent to your email. After you input the verification code, you will be redirected to the dashboard here, and then you can see you can create a new website or anything, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.